This is Gamma. It's a new category of the everyday jacket. It's a combination of a lightweight everyday jacket, technical activewear, and feature-packed travel jacket. It's infused with graphene, a hard-as-diamond wonder material, made of a one-atom-thick layer of super heat-conducting carbon atoms, designed to keep you cool in the summer and warm in the winter, no matter what life throws at you. Experts around the world have documented the unique properties of graphene. It's also meticulously designed to be the ultimate travel jacket. It's lightweight and easy to pack, whether in your carry-on or worn from terminal to terminal. Our built-in heater makes sure that you will always be at your optimal temperature in all environments, from airplane to forest to mountain. Gamma's pockets let you securely carry everything you need without needing to rummage through your bag. Ditch the layers in bulk that will keep you warm in the coldest winters in seconds and make Gamma the only jacket you'll ever need for work and play. Going somewhere extra chilly? Gamma can give you that extra warmth and protection against the elements in seconds. Unbreakable and durable, Gamma will never let you down. Its multi-pocket function safely secures your phone, your wallet, your keys, your passport, your transport card, and your many other possessions. Stay stylish and snug by customizing your fit with our many adjustable drawstrings and Velcros. Gamma is 100% waterproof, so you can take a stroll, jog, or hike under the rain without getting wet. Even our zippers are water resistant to keep your pockets and valuables nice and dry. Our graphene-infused material is also naturally anti-odor, wind-resistant, UV-proof, and made with breathable and non-toxic materials. Gamma is a new category of jacket perfected for work, play, and travel, without compromising function or fashion. Gamma by Wear Graphene. Back us today.
Hi everyone, I'm Chloe. Today we are taking a look at the Snapiel Adhesive Screen Protector. If you take it for just another ordinary screen protector, well, you are wrong. Its crazy material science will definitely blow your mind. It can absorb the dust and smudges on your screen and make them disappear. First, let's take a look at how a conventional screen protector works. Bubbles everywhere, and it's impossible to squeeze them out no matter how hard you try. You are about to witness something unbelievable. As Snapiel automatically applies itself, you can see all the dust is magically gone. The fit is spotless, seamless, and bubbleless. The secret lies in its newly adopted adhesive material, a fluid nanoparticle film that dynamically detects and spontaneously fills the voids around the dust to drive away bubbles for a naked-looking phone screen. Snapiel is also extraordinarily durable. If you find any unwanted dust, sweep them off with your hand. If you misalign it, you can peel it off anytime you want and put it back on. But please be careful when taking it off. Don't bend it, snap it, or break it, because it will weaken the material's ability to keep the air out. In case you find it too dirty or dusty, simply clean it with water and then dry it with tissue or paper towel. The most incredible thing about Snapiel Screen Protector is that it can be rinsed repetitively with water, and its stickiness and performance will remain intact. Afterwards, Snapiel will be as good as new, and it can still be able to fit on the screen perfectly. Chances are you are still gonna ruin the screen protector and throw it away if something goes wrong during application. Snapiel Adhesive Screen Protector is a real game changer in the industry in terms of installation and longevity.
People only talk about how wonderful exercise is. It reduces stress, builds and maintains muscles and bones, makes your brain healthier, helps you sleep better. But no one ever talks about its major downside. Exercise can be extremely boring. We are Wavewear. We started with the mission to create workout gear that offers the proper protection that everyone deserves. Back in 2019, we launched our first Kickstarter project, compression wear with integrated kinesiology taping. Now, we're back. Not to make workouts safer, but to make it more fun. Introducing ElecSuit, the electro training gear that can sync with VR devices. ElecSuit makes your workout fun, easy, and efficient, whether you want to exercise at home or elsewhere. Unlike traditional EMS training devices, ElecSuit can be used for virtual reality experiences. ElecSuit just feels like your finest training gear, not too bulky, baggy, or heavy. It has electrodes targeting major muscle groups. These send electrical signals to cue which muscles you should work on, and provide electrotactile feedback for gaming. Because the electrical stimulation accelerates muscle growth, with ElecSuit you can get fit and have fun with it. So, what can you do with ElecSuit? Join a virtual yoga class. Turn your couch into a massage chair. Escape a series of mazes by doing bodyweight exercises. Play red light, green light to save your lives. Experience the first-person shooter that'll make you work out. Feel like hitting the gym or going for a run? Hey, we got that covered too. Use the companion app for a regular EMS training session. Select workout and go. With the app, you can customize electrical waveforms as you need. The electrodes on ElecSuit are thin and stretchable, so it feels just right. No need to wet them for use like other reusable electrodes. The cables are easily detachable, so you can wash and reuse ElecSuit. It doesn't end here. Our developers are working on games and software as we speak. ElecSuit will be compatible with new programs and features. But for all this to become reality, we need your support. With your help, we can bring ElecSuit to life and take it to the next level. We want ElecSuit to not only send you signals, but also receive information like heart rates and muscle activity. We want to make electrotactile haptics more sophisticated and seamlessly integrate virtual reality with human movement.